The Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold has been one of the most anticipated devices in the tech world. For months, rumors pointed toward an October launch. It was expected to arrive quietly and shake the market, especially with foldables gaining more attention this year. Many expected it to land just in time to challenge the iPhone 17 and respond to Huawei's momentum in the TriFold category. But October passed, November is almost over, and the device still hasn't reached stores. Naturally, many fans began wondering where the new foldable had gone. Now, new information finally gives a clear picture of what is happening behind the scenes. There is still no official Samsung announcement, but supply chain leaks, firmware listings, and analyst reports confirm one thing: the Galaxy Z TriFold is real, it is ready, but the worldwide rollout will not be immediate. A major update now reveals Samsung's new release plan, the details of its special G Fold design, and why most regions will have to wait until 2026 to buy it. The first big change concerns the launch strategy. Instead of a global release, Samsung is moving toward a phased rollout. This is the kind of approach usually used when a product is extremely complex, expensive to manufacture, or produced in limited numbers. With a TriFold device this advanced, early units are not as easy to manufacture as standard phones, so Samsung appears to be taking a slow and controlled approach. The first phase is scheduled for December 5, 2025. This will be a soft launch mainly focused on South Korea. Some reports also suggest a small batch may reach China, but only in strictly limited quantities. This allows Samsung to say the device launched in 2025 without having to stock it globally. It also gives the company time to monitor early user feedback and fine-tune production before sending it to bigger markets. The second phase is the global rollout, which is now expected in early 2026. Markets like the United States, the United Kingdom, and Europe will likely receive the Galaxy Z TriFold during Samsung's first major event of the year, possibly alongside the Galaxy S26 Ultra in January or February. Firmware builds such as SM968U and SM968U1 have already appeared in Samsung's internal servers. These are the US versions of the device, confirming testing is underway. The phone is definitely coming, but the world needs to wait a few extra months. Moving to design, the Galaxy Z TriFold takes a very different direction compared to Huawei's Mate X-T. Huawei uses a Z-shaped folding method. One part folds inward while the other folds outward. This makes the device thinner, but leaves part of the display exposed even when folded, a major durability concern. That exposed area can easily scratch or get damaged in pockets or bags. Samsung has taken the opposite path. The Galaxy Z TriFold uses a G-shaped design, where both sides fold inward like closing a book from both ends. This protects the massive internal display completely when the phone is closed. To make this possible, Samsung adds a separate cover display on the outside, which is around 6.5 inches. Yes, this makes the device slightly thicker than Huawei's version, but durability becomes far better. For many users, especially in Western markets, protection and long-term strength matter more than thinness. Samsung seems confident that this inward folding method will be more reliable in daily use. Now looking at the specs, the Galaxy Z TriFold stands out as a device designed to replace both a phone and a tablet. The main display is around 10 inches. That size puts it close to an iPad, offering a large workspace for multitasking, creative tasks, or media consumption. With 3 screen segments working together, Samsung is expected to introduce new software features through One UI 8, including improved desktop-style tools and advanced multitasking layouts. To handle this large display, Samsung equips the device with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. This processor is one of the most powerful mobile chips available and is rumored to come in a special, for Galaxy, version with boosted performance. A TriFold display running multiple apps at the same time demands heavy processing power, so this upgraded chip is essential. Battery capacity also plays an important role. The Galaxy Z TriFold reportedly includes a 5600 mAh battery split across 3 ultra-thin cells. While this capacity is high compared to normal phones, it is closer to average for tablets. The device should last a full day under normal usage, but running apps on the large display will consume more power than a typical smartphone. Samsung is also placing focus on cameras. Leaks suggest that the same 200MP main camera sensor from the S25 Ultra line will be included. Foldables often reduce camera performance to save space, but Samsung appears to be avoiding that. This decision positions the TriFold as a top-tier premium device with no major compromises. Of course, all of this innovation comes at a cost. Pricing is expected between $3,000 and $3,500. This places the Galaxy Z TriFold in a category beyond regular smartphones. Instead, it competes with high-end tablets, laptops, and luxury tech. The price reflects the expensive materials, the complex hinge system, and the difficulty of producing such a large foldable OLED panel. This device is clearly targeted at early adopters and tech enthusiasts who want the most advanced hardware available. So, is the wait worth it? For most users, the delay to 2026 may be disappointing, but a controlled launch gives Samsung time to polish the software and ensure long-term durability of its new hinge mechanism. A TriFold device brings unique challenges in terms of display structure, crease management, app optimization, and thermal performance. A rushed global launch could lead to issues, so Samsung appears to be choosing stability over speed. The TriFold era officially begins this December in South Korea, but the real global impact will arrive in early 2026, with its protected G Fold design, massive 10-inch display, powerful chip, and premium camera setup. The Galaxy Z TriFold is shaping up to be the most advanced foldable yet, and possibly the first true mobile device that bridges phones, tablets, and laptops in a single form.